he knows it's dirty. It has to be washed. There we go. Turkey.
可以舔。
Okay, now see the danger with those in his hands? But he has to be able to take those back to his
Walk
room.
straight through Nick and see Mr. Aaron.
See how he's kind of got that old man stoop going on?
Yeah, and
Yeah.
he has a wider base of support than these two. Both sides.
Yep.
Yeah. Alright, Nick, we're gonna see your room. Nick, step up. Good. Alright, go straight, Nick. You see Aaron? Go straight towards Aaron. Let's go. You have good colors.
Yeah.
Alright. Are you over here with Nick?
Hey, buddy, I'm right here. Yes, I'm right here.
Where do you want to put it, Nick? Oh, I see it.
Okay.
Okay, good. Good job. Good. Perfect. Right there. Okay. And then Nick, can you show us your bathroom?
Go to your bathroom.
Nick, you want to show Zuby now your bathroom?
And then try to stand a little side. There you
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Nick. Show me
Go in the bathroom.
Good. Okay. Good. And Nick, good. Can you step through for us? Big step through.
Go up to the toilet.
And go up to the toilet. And then can you open the toilet for us? Yes, you can. And then can you turn? Oh, there we go. Nice. And can you reach back, Nick, with both hands to sit down? Reach back. Do you have to use the restroom?
Yeah, that's his routine.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay.
He doesn't, don't worry about privacy.
Yeah.
He doesn't
Okay.
understand.
Okay, Nick. And then can you sit for us?
I wish you can.
Okay, he's just, that's the best he's done.
Good job. Today has been